Hey, it's your girl, Realtor Latoya D here, your favorite new construction specialist. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and don't forget to turn on those notifications so you never miss a new home tour. And if you are looking for a new home, be sure to visit LatoyaDillard.com to browse homes that fit your style and your budget. Welcome to Adalyn Park in Mooresville, North Carolina, a charming new community of just 44 home sites. With its prime location near downtown Mooresville and just minutes from I-77, this community offers the perfect balance of small town charm and big city convenience. This area is quickly becoming one of Charlotte's most desirable suburbs, and it's easy to see why. Homes here will range from the 570,000s to the 700,000s. So today, we're going to be touring the Dawson floor plan, a spacious 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with over 3,000 square feet of living space. Designed with everyday living in mind, the Dawson features both the main suite and the guest room on the first floor, along with an open concept kitchen and family room. So if you need office space or formal dining, the flexible bonus space gives you the freedom to make it your own. So if you like what you see and you're interested in touring this community or any other new construction community in the area, give me a call. I would love the opportunity to earn your business. I hope you enjoy the rest of this tour, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop me a comment below and let me know what you think about this community and this model. As always, I will see you on the next home tour. Take care.